Hey, welcome back. Today is our one's first service. So be with me. आज हम लोग जाएंगे सिंपल वन का फर्स्ट सर्विस करने. So if you ask me how many kilometers have I ridden the bike, I'll show you. So it is almost 4,700 kilometers. So yeah, I had been informed that once my scooter reaches 4,500, let us know, so that the service has to be between 4,500 to 5,000. इसके बीच में होना है. I'll add the photo over here. So yeah, so now let's head towards Margao to get our first service done, and I'll show you what each and everything gets done in the first service. So stay tuned. Gen 2. Yep, I will come later. Till then, okay, I'll give a small sneak peek for you all. Keep the bike like this only. And this is the matte black color, and I guess only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only few are come, and under bhi hai. This is the complete new bike, as you can see. New charging slot, which is spring loaded, new handlebar. I hope someone's not serious. Everything else looks the same. The major difference is this, which I saw, and the seat is more stiffer. Yeah, looks to be stiffer. This is not 3D anymore. The logo is printed over there. See here, here's the comparison. That is the old Gen 1.5 and this is Gen 2. So you can compare both how it is. You got nice pocket, lovely, good one. I just hope that Simple gives us the software update. I will come back to make the video. Detailed walk around coming soon, guys, coming soon. Not in this video. This video is completely about the service, first service of my bike. The next video will be about the Simple One Gen 2. Either the Gen 2 video will come first or the service video will come first. So आमचं सध्या एक म्हणजे कशें आसा की हांव सद्दां खंय वचपाक जाय जाल्यार बेगीन पावता आनी बेगीन भायर सरता, so that others don't have to wait because of me. So yeah, that is my behavior, because of which I reached early. So yep, let's wait till anyone comes. Hello Noman ji, बढ़िया, आप कैसे हो?
एकदम ठीक है.
Good. I missed this man.
वही नहीं, आप लोगों का भी अपडेट हो जाएगा. वो
आने वाला है अपडेट.
आएगा
Gen 2
अपडेट आएगा. थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा बट आ जाएगा.
आएगा ना?
यस.
Okay.
बोला है उन्होंने.
So we have reached the service center, and yeah, so as I showed you previously, that service center I reached at 9, exact 9, but the service center was not open, so I confirmed with them, and they open at 9:30, and it seems that one of the members had seen me that I was here, and then I went back. So okay, चलता है. अभी they have taken my all the issues, whatever, and here's my bike which is right in front of me. तो अभी देखते हैं कैसे. So उन्होंने मेरे को पूछा कि क्या कुछ issues है क्या. So मैंने what I've told is one is about the motor. So what happened once, I remember I was coming from office, I reached home, and when I was entering my garage, right, तो मोटर से ना जब स्लो स्पीड्स पे लाइक 2 और 3 kmph की स्पीड पे Yes, the sound of the motor had changed. Okay, it was like grrr. I myself at home had removed the sari guard and just sprayed water on the belt and cleaned it with a brush. Then after that the sound vanished. So मुझे तभी क्या लगा कि maybe something, there was some debris in the belt, or maybe the belt has worn out or something like that. So that is one issue which I told them. Another issue which I have told is that if I continuously ride in ride mode, not ride, dash mode, what I have seen is the sound of the motor changes when we start from a halt. It's like more like same sound, like grr. Only when we start, other then it's the same. So one thing which the guy has told me, that it is because of the load on the motor, so that is normally mentioned. Apart from that, I have no issues. I've told him just check for any updates, and the brakes, suspension, everything. अभी देखते हैं what is the update. So there are 4 vehicles today. He said he'll give me the bike by 11 o'clock. So now we'll head towards the the showroom, and I'll shoot the Gen 2 ka update, 2 update ka bike. So the servicing of my bike is done, and I've received my bike. So bill details, everything I will attach. So what all has been serviced in during the service time. So firstly, subscribe to me, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this was just, I had seen something of my vision. Do let me know how this looks. Okay, so what all got serviced is, I just restarted my bike, so nothing got changed. Everything was inspected. Main thing what they did was they checked the belt. Okay, and I told them to check the belt. It was a bit loose it seems, तो वो थोड़ा टाइट किया है. मेल्ट लूज हो गया था over the period of 5,000 kilometers. And one thing which the service guy had told me, that to spray the belt with the PTFE spray. So this is the dry film PTFE spray. Okay, I've got it from the brand Aerol, and this is what the showroom guys use. So this I bought it from Amazon. Over here MRP is around 800, so I got it for around 700 something. And yeah, so make sure you all keep this as well. All the EV owners out there have to spray this to your belt, because the belt gets dry over the period of time of riding. तो यस, ये मैंने अभी स्प्रे किया था ओके अपने बेल्ट पे. एंड रेस्ट ऑल, even they had sprayed this. I am shooting this after few days, after a week almost. So next thing which I told them to check the brakes are absolutely fine, both the brakes. This is the rear brake, so brake pads are good, brake discs are good. Last thing which they had checked is the software update or anything, but mine was already up to date, so that's fine. And one thing in the beginning which I told you about, the motor sound which came one day, I told them that. Then they were like, वो होता है because of over this thing, because of this thing heat, they said, because वो एक ही बार आया था, उसके बाद नहीं आया था मुझे. So that is fine. And special thanks to Simple Energy Goa store and the staff all over there for servicing my bike and giving it in an hour. And yeah, all my issues have been addressed, so I will attach the bill. Till then, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and make sure to hit the bell to stay notified for such more one related updates. Till then, see you in the next one.